Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we will discuss about input stream and output stream, and this is the very important topic is going to handle in your live projects also. So before going to start, I will tell you till now I have completed the 7 lectures for each Hindi as well as in English. So you can see on the screen like last was our conditional operator, okay, and before this relational operator, and today we are going to handle with input and output stream. So before going to start about the syntax and program, let me tell you when and why we are using this. And I told you that this is a very important and very important to know in the live projects, because when you do live projects, that time you need to read the data from the files and print in your specific language, like or separate thing, many requirement from the client side, like sometimes they want file in JSON, CSV and whatever. After all, you have to read the data from file and print it, okay, like they will provide you some files, and from that file you have to fetch some particular data and print in the new file. So in that cases we used to handle with the input and output stream that time. So this is a live task projects topic, so don't forget to study this, and without skipping just go through that, okay. So let's start. Syntax is very small, like you can see it here. This is a 4-5 line syntax only, like input stream, buffer reader, and these things, basic things we have did. But I have put some lines also because they can ask you in interview also about this, so don't forget to read this. Let's start. So first of all, we go from the system.in. System.in basically what it do. So this is a standard input stream, okay, that is used to read the character. Whatever character we are providing, that is used to read the character from the keyboard or any other standard input devices. From the hardware things, you are typing some characters. These characters are going to read by the system.in. Understand? This is. And now what is the input stream reader do? So input stream reader read the bytes and decode them into the character using the specific char set, okay. So system.in means from the hardware something you are providing the character, okay, and input stream what happening, whatever character you are providing, that is change into, decodes into the character set, okay. And now what the buffer reader do, okay. So Java buffer reader class used to read the text from the char based input stream. Whatever in input stream char based came, that is going to means Java buffer is going to use to read the text, whatever text, okay, the character came from the input stream, that is buffer reader is going to read. Understand? So let's send what the output stream do, system.out, because here we have provided the system.out, okay. So system. This is the standard output stream that is used to produce the result of a program. Means whenever you are going to provide some result output, okay, that time we used to do system.out, and you have already used system.out many times, and I told you that in later videos I will just explain about this. So now you can understand system.in, whatever the things we are providing by the like keyboard or something, that is that time we use to system.in, and whatever the output we want on screen, that time you use system.out, okay. And input character, I told you that whatever character you are using means the read the byte code, okay, because we know that the system works in the byte form, okay, and decode them into character set, and that character set is going to read by the buffer reader. This is on the main concept, and this is related to your interview also, so read it, understand it completely, and whatever I have did I will explain you. So this is the basic program. Here simply just I have written this is output line, okay, and here I have just created the input stream, means whatever data we are going to provide, and that will convert read the byte, and it will convert into the character set, and that character set is going to read by the buffer reader, and then buffer reader will read, and that will provide in on screen by using the system.out. And how it will provide, just see here, we have type here like input stream ISR equal to new input stream system.in, okay, and then buffer reader is BR equal to new buffer reader ISR, means whatever, see here I have just explained, that is the input stream ISR, and I have written here input stream ISR inside the buffer reader, okay. And then what I have did here, I have created one character string variable, name is name, okay, and br dot read line, it will read the line, okay, whatever we will provide, okay. And then system.out, and how it will print, you can see it here, like system.in, and br is came from the buffer reader, okay. So just understand this one, and then hello plus name, and whatever name we will provide, it will print it here. Understand? So let's run the program and see. Run as Java application. Let's save it, this one first. And read line is used to read the line. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the output line. This is for this one, and here please enter your name. This is for please enter your name, and it's asking to type some character. So whatever character we will type, it will give some output. So let's type it here. Okay, I will type my name here, Avinash. So you can see I have typed here my name, Avinash, and when I will enter here, it will show the result like this, hello world. You can see it here again. Okay, and again if enter it, if I will run it again, you can see here it will give the another, like I am writing something, computer tips. Okay, and enter, it will give hello computer tips. So now you can see here, whatever character we are providing, it's decoding the byte code into the character set, and that character set is going to read by the buffer reader, and then buffer reader, after reading that buffer reader, it will read the line, and okay, and now it will give you the output. Okay, so you can see here the things are happening dynamically, and whenever you will go for the live projects, always the things will work dynamically only. You cannot pass the things statically. So this is only for today's, and we'll see in next video. So take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.